Hey guys, this is Chris from Throdle. This year, I bought my fairly new R33 GT-R, color code K6. So, what do we do to get this car ready for SEMA? I know some of you guys are weirded out right now because I usually bring the POW, but I'm bringing out the new right-hand drive project. So first thing right off the bat, carbon fiber hood. Can't be a JDM car without carbon fiber. What's a little different about this hood is it's not your traditional vented, like down the middle. It has like the S2 vents on both sides. These are the brand new Phenom tires, not released in the US yet. They're gonna be more of your like your trackable like SCCA everyday tire. We have them with the Grandlite 57 DRs. And yeah, these will be available next year in the States. There's only 3 cars in the US running these tires right now. And 2 of them are here at SEMA. We did access the car with a nice 400R graphic patterns. Giant BFGoodrich Tiger. We just had to let everybody know why the car is here. We did the seats right here. So usually you have the R33 seats, which are very coveted, we know. I still have them at home, so nobody get upset. The plaid inserts is actually a Porsche material. The headrest, we put the Nürburgring time with the R33 GT-R because the little known fact that 33 was the first car to break the 8-minute barrier at the Nürburgring. Giant ass muffler. It's kind of big, guys. You can put your whole hand in there. But yeah, we got the aftermarket LED lights here we had redone. Really bright reverse, so it's like headlights in reverse. Topped off with your traditional GT-R ring. But right here, guys, we got the brand new NRG wheel, which is a detachable ultimate security system. Take this, then you can't drive your car, you can't take it. It's also a manual, so also a good trick. So yeah, guys, thanks for checking out my 33 GT-R here at SEMA. If you guys want to follow me, get on the app, token_Nissan. And we also did a video on my POW as well, so it's on there as well. Thanks, guys.